Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Asia Mullins. For those of you that are returning gems, hey friend. So as you read from the title, I am talking about the Fabfitfun box. We will be talking about the full Fabfitfun box. Now guys, the previous boxes that I've received, it's like, yeah, oh, okay, it's not exciting. It wasn't exciting. I'm hoping that this box is actually exciting because I actually was able to like pick out some of my stuff. Like if you're a seasonal, yeah, I'm a seasonal subscriber. The perks of being a seasonal member is that you could get full customizations. Each season you could pick like four the products that go inside your box. Then you have unlimited swap for credit. This is new to me because last time to be honest, I just get the box because I was like, okay, let me just see what's new and see if it's going to change anything. So far it really hasn't, but we'll see. Then I also have early access to customization. I have early access to add-ons and edit sales. I get earlier shopping, but the best thing is you can cancel anytime with no fees. So yeah, that's basically my membership with Fabfitfun. Okay, so now that that's out the way, let's just get into the box. Now, the first thing that I've seen was the magazine. Now, the last time that I opened up the magazine, I noticed that they changed it up a little bit. Like, they don't have, like, the products anymore with the pricing right next to it. So, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to Fabfitfun.com and go into your account, log in, and then check out your box. And then right next to the items, they'll tell you the stuff that you got and how much it costs. And right here, they just show you, like, stuff that could be included in your box. I can tell you right now, I didn't get any other stuff in here. Yeah, so they show you little stuff like that. Then it's like meet the author and all that stuff. I like little like stuff like sleep routine I just saw. What else do they have? Like they show some of the stuff that you could get and how to use it, but they should have put the prices right next to the stuff that's in the magazine. Then they have like these little like where should you travel based on your zodiac sign. So I'm a Gemini. I'm gonna read this real quick. Where do they think I should go? Rio de Janeiro. I want to go there, in Brazil. And it says Geminis are playful and tend to juggle a lot of different interests at once. You know what? It's true. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil has an endless amount of sights to see and people to meet. Hello. Which will keep a Gemini busy and buzzing. I don't know. But anyway, now they're showing you stuff that you could have got that's for the kitchen. I remember that I got the measuring cups because at the time I didn't need measuring cups, but I already got new measuring cups, so it's like, should I keep it or should I just let it go? And then they give you like little recipes that you could cook with. It's like, what? And then they show you stuff that you could travel with. I kind of wish I got the dang on shades. And then they give you like 20 journal prompts they give you 20 journal prompts for self-discovery. They give you like girl power, like little stuff like that. And then they show you like some more stuff that was in the they show you at the end like the exclusive offers and stuff. So, yep, and that's the magazine. Then at the back it says win a trip to Riviera Maya. Okay, I might try to win that trip. Who knows? Okay, so let me show you what I got in the box. Alright, so like I said before, I got the Food 52 bamboo measuring cups and spoons in blue and green because those are two of my favorite colors. And this was $28. Lord, why can't I open this? Alright, so these are them. Cute. They got 1/4 cup. Okay, so 1 cup, half a cup, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup. And then they got a 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, and dishwasher safe, so that's good. My boyfriend won't mess this up. On to the next. Alright, next we have this Necessaire, the body wash English scent eucalyptus, and it's supposed to nourish your skin, cleanse your skin, and soften your skin. My skin's already soft, but I can always use something that'll help make it even softer. And that was $25 for that bottle, and this is a 8.4 fluid ounce bottle. Alright, so on to the next. We have, is this a free item? Okay, so this is a free item, and this is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, and this is $30, and this is a 0.51 fluid ounce bottle. And it says, our award-winning cooling gel nourishes, smooths, and soothes with aloe and hyaluronic acid while also illuminating dark shadows. Sounds promising. I'm about to run out of my eye cream, so you came right on time. See, that's the thing about the Fabfitfun box. Something like lately they have been focusing on like the skincare in a way. Like I haven't really seen any like fabulous stuff. I haven't seen anything fit, like for fitness. I see stuff for like fun. Well, for some people, nourishing your skin is fun. I like to take care of my skin. Anyway, I haven't really been seeing like other things. Lately, they've just been taking care of the skincare stuff. But other than that, I don't want to go on a little rant, but I am. Because it's like, this box has constantly been giving us, well for me, it's been giving me like a lot of skincare stuff, and I am forever grateful that it's introduced me to new skincare stuff where I don't even have to spend like the $80-$90 for the product. But it's like, can I get something exciting, like something for fitness, some makeup? Like they have the NARS blush, and they even had the Glossier lip gloss, which was a surprise, but I'm gonna get into that and explain that later. But I just want an exciting box. Like I'm ready to cancel this because I feel like it's not giving me like joy to open up this box. But anyway, let's get back to the reason why you guys are here, to see what I got in this box. Okay, so this Glossier Balm.com birthday balm.com is $12, and it is 0.5 fluid ounces. And it just says swipe onto lips for a loving layer of nourishing moisture. Can never go wrong with a lip balm or something, because honey, we about to enter the winter months and we don't want no chapsticks. We don't want no chapped lips, right? So on to the next one. Alright, so I picked out the Luxy Enchanted Eye Set. This set of 4 brushes is $64. $64. I wonder if it does my makeup for me itself. And it does come in its own little pouch, but it's green, y'all. I love green, and it matches my birthstone. But anyway, this set includes a flat definer, a concealer, a blending brush, and a short shader. So, and I remember this box actually introduced me to the Luxy brushes, and they're relatively good. Like I still have my brushes over there. And this, yeah, it cost $64. And I wonder if it does my makeup for me, but nah, most likely don't. But Nolly and Ali Weekender bag, and this is very pretty. I've been wanting a new weekend bag because lately I've been using my gym bag as my weekend bag because it has like the little shoe department, but I'm happy that I got that. And this bag costs $128. So altogether my box cost me $287. Now, overall, I am happy with this, but I feel like I want more, like in a different categories. Like I got the skincare, I got the body care, I got the kitchen, and then I got a bag. It really doesn't scream fall to me. Max, hush. Sorry, my dog. This box really doesn't scream fall to me. Like even the outside of the box is just a girl chilling there. I'm happy that I paid for the box because I only paid $50 for it. But it's like I could have saved my $50, like for real. Cause if I wanted different body wash, I could easily go out and get body wash. But if anybody from the Fabfitfun office is watching this, can you please like add some oomph into the winter box, please? Because I normally look forward to your fall box, because normally you have something that smells like pumpkin spice. You make the box smell like fall. This time it's a no. But anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the rant, but don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me if you're subscribed to the Fabfitfun box also, and tell me your thoughts on it too. And if you're not, tell me your thoughts on this box. Like, what did I get? Would you subscribe or would you just pass? So I will see you next time, guys. Bye.